Honda has launched sales of its new electric compact SUV in China. The model was specifically designed for this market, and it will have a twin model there. Honda previously had a lineup of electric vehicles developed specifically for the Chinese market, called EN. Today, it includes twin compact SUVs, the ENS1/ENP1 and ENS2/ENP2, produced by different joint ventures GAC Honda and Dongfeng Honda. However, these models have not been popular. Apparently, the first generation, which has gasoline counterparts like the Honda Vezel/XRV, turned out to be too simplistic for the demanding Chinese audience. As for the second generation, the design, to put it mildly, is unconventional. But Honda did not give up. Last year, the company announced a new generation of electric vehicles, grouped under the YE family. The models debuted as prototypes, the S7 and P7 crossovers, as well as a large liftback, the GT. And now, the first model of this new era has gone on sale, the Honda YE S7 compact SUV from Dongfeng Honda. Interestingly, the YE sub-brand is only mentioned in press releases. On the consumer website of the joint venture, the crossover is simply referred to as the Honda S7, and local journalists also call it that. The compact SUV is based on the EN architecture W electric platform, and models built on it can have rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. The length of the Honda S7 is 4,750 mm, the width is 1,930 mm, the height is 1,625 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,930 mm. This means the crossover is similar in size to the Zeekr 7X. This time, the design is on point. The Honda S7 has a rather striking appearance. Key features include aggressive bumpers, T-shaped headlights, vertical tail lights, retractable door handles, and glossy, angular wheel arch trims. The model also features cameras instead of traditional side mirrors. Inside, the driver faces a 9.9-inch instrument display. The central giant tablet actually consists of two screens, one 12.8 inches and the other 10.25 inches. Vehicles equipped with external cameras instead of mirrors have additional displays built directly into the doors. Additionally, the rear doors feature touch panels for climate and seat adjustments. Currently, the Honda S7 is offered in two versions. The base crossover has a 272 horsepower electric motor, 420 Nm, on the rear axle. The second option is all-wheel drive, with its motors delivering a combined 476 horsepower and 770 Nm. Both versions use a single battery, from CATL, with a capacity of 89.8 kWh. The rear-wheel drive compact SUV has a range of 650 km according to the Chinese CLTC cycle, while the all-wheel drive version offers 620 km. Chinese media report that the all-wheel drive crossover can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.6 seconds. The list of features for the most affordable Honda S7 includes a panoramic sunroof, power tailgate, climate control, heated steering wheel and all seats, the aforementioned screens and touch panels in the rear doors, an augmented reality head-up display, wireless smartphone charging, a facial recognition system, and the Honda Sensing 360 Plus suite, 360-degree cameras, automatic parking, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and more. The all-wheel drive version adds a hands-free power tailgate, an automatically dimming sunroof, ventilated seats, and a Bose audio system, with speakers integrated into the front headrests. The rear-wheel drive Honda S7 is priced at 259,900 yuan, approximately 3.2 million rubles at the current exchange rate, while the all-wheel drive version costs 309,900 yuan, 3.8 million rubles. For comparison, the Zeekr 7X starts at 229,900 yuan, 2.8 million rubles. A bit later, Chinese dealers will also receive the Honda P7 crossover from GAC Honda. It has a different exterior but the same interior and, likely, the same technical specifications.